Hi, welcome to Android Application Development. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use XML to display a rating bar, few text views, and a button. So to do that, we need to launch the Java Eclipse. So I'm gonna change the workspace into a rating bar. Then click OK. So this is the environment of Java Eclipse. Just to disregard this one. So to create a rating bar, you need to select File, then New, then choose Android Application Project. Now you have to specify the name of the in the application name, the project name, and the package name. So I'm gonna use uh, rating bar example. Then click next, then next, next. Use please choose the blank activity, then next, then finish. So to create uh, a rating bar, choose rest, then layout, then activity main. So this is the graphical layout of uh, the rating bar. So we haven't add any codes yet. So to do that, we need to cl- click the activity. So I have already downloaded uh, some codes in the internet. So it's okay if you don't have any background in the programming language. You can just uh, download some sample codes through the internet. So I'm gonna delete this one. Rating bar. So here's the sample codes that I've downloaded through the internet. So just copy this codes, copy, then paste it in the text field. Then click save. Then the next thing to do is the Java file. Just delete the codes, then copy the sample codes. then paste, then click save. So notice that there are some errors in the codes, so no need to worry about that. Just lay the cursor above the errors, then automatically uh, it will fixed. It will be fixed. Same with this one. Then then uh, just create a field main in type layout. Then select public. Then click save. Then go back to the main activity Java file. So same with this one. Create field public. Then save. Then go back to the main activity. Create field. Then public. Then save. Then go back. So uh, the last one is this one. Create field. BTN submit. Public. Save. So so there are no errors. No more errors. So if you want to check the layout, the graphic layout, you can always go back to the activity or main.xml, then press graphical layout. So here's the sample of a rating bar. So once you have created an Android rating bar, a simple Android rating bar, you are done with this tutorial. So thank you.